In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contribute to a GitHub open source project using C++. Now, tackling open source projects can seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, you'll find it to be a rewarding experience. Whether you're looking to hone your coding skills or give back to the community, contributing to open source projects is a fantastic way to do so. Let's dive in and look at each step in detail. First things first, before you can start contributing, you'll need to install the required software. The backbone of our workflow begins with three essential tools: Git, .NET SDK, and either Visual Studio Community or Visual Studio Code, depending on your preference. Head over to their respective websites and download the latest versions. Git will help you in tracking your changes. .NET SDK is crucial for building and running C applications, while Visual Studio provides a conducive environment for editing and analyzing your code. Once you've got everything installed, verify the installation by opening your terminal and typing git version and .NET version. If installed correctly, you'll see the current versions printed out. Next, you'll need a GitHub account. If you don't already have one, visit GitHub's website and sign up for free. After entering your details, you'll need to verify your email address. This step is crucial as it enables you to engage with the community and eventually push your contributions to projects. With the tools ready and account set up, the next thing is to find a C++ project you'd like to contribute to. Browse GitHub's vast library. Look for projects that not only pique your interest, but also welcome contributions. A good starting point is to look at projects with open issues labeled as Good First Issue. Once you've found a project, one key document you'll need to read is the contributing.md file. This document provides you with specific instructions on how to contribute to that project, from coding standards to submission guidelines, ensuring that your contributions align with the project's needs. Feeling ready? It's time to fork the repository. Forking creates your own copy of the project on your GitHub account. After forking, clone the repository onto your local machine using the command git clone repository URL. Open the project's solution file with Visual Studio. In order to get the project up and running, execute .NET restore to restore the necessary packages. Once that's complete, .NET build will compile the code, ensuring everything is in working order. To verify the project, run .NET test, which will check that there are no underlying issues. To contribute, create a new branch using Git. This branch is where you'll address and fix any issues. After implementing the necessary changes, rerun the tests to make sure everything works correctly. If all looks good, stage your changes with git d. Commit them with a clear message and push your branch to your forked repository. Head back to GitHub and create a pull request from your branch. This is your opportunity to discuss potential changes and improvements with the project maintainers. They may request further revisions, which you'll do in the same branch until your contribution is ready for a final review and merge. Congratulations, you've just taken the first step in contributing to an open source project in C++. This not only enhances your skills, but also builds a valuable portfolio of your work. Keep practicing and exploring more projects to further your experience in the open source realm. Thank you for watching.